What if you could start building an online income system without creating products, without tech skills, and without paying thousands up front? And yes, there's actually a free way to get started. This is called ClickBank Profit Club. Right now, thousands of people are trying to make money online, but most beginners fail for one simple reason. They jump from method to method, course to course, strategy to strategy, without ever building a real system. That's where ClickBank Profit Club is different. It gives beginners a done-for-you framework designed around affiliate marketing and ClickBank. Here's what caught my attention. You don't need your own product. You don't need customer support. You don't need inventory. And you don't need to build everything from scratch. The platform includes things like done-for-you funnels, email follow-up systems, affiliate offers, training, coaching, traffic systems, and support for beginners. The goal is simple. Help normal people start building an online business around affiliate marketing. And one of the biggest things, there's a free entry option available during the rollout phase. So if you've been curious about affiliate marketing but didn't want to risk a ton of money, this could honestly be one of the easiest ways to look behind the curtain and see how these systems actually work. Most people never see how successful affiliate marketers structure their funnels, their email systems, their back-end offers, and automated follow-up. That's the kind of stuff this platform focuses on. And even if you're completely new, the setup is designed to be beginner-friendly. Now, obviously, like anything online, results depend on effort, consistency, traffic, and learning the system. This is not some magical push one button and get rich thing. But if you want a structured starting point, it's definitely worth checking out for yourself. And the best part? You can check it out for free. So click the link in the description right now, or go directly to theiblogging-system.com/CB again. theiblogging-system.com/CB, and see what ClickBank Profit Club is all about before everyone else catches on.